Representation of rational numbers on number line.
Rational numbers on a number line. Like integers, we can represent all rational numbers on the number line. All positive rational numbers are represented on the right side of 0, and all negative rational numbers are represented on the left side of 0.
Represent 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 on the number line. As 1 by 2 is a positive rational number and is less than 1, so it will lie between 0 and 1. By dividing the distance between 0 and 1 into two equal parts, the point P lies halfway between 0 and 1, which has been labeled 1 by 2 as shown. Minus 1 by 2 is a negative rational number and is less than 0 and more than minus 1, so it will lie between minus 1 and 0. By dividing the distance between minus 1 and 0 into two equal parts, the point Q lies halfway between minus 1 and 0, has been labeled minus 1 by 2 as shown. Represent 7 by 3 on the number line. Now, to represent 7 by 3 on number line, divide the distance between 0 and 1, 1 and 2, 2 and 3, and so on in 3 equal parts each, because denominator is 3. After 0, mark the points as 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3, 4 by 3, 5 by 3, 6 by 3, 7 by 3, 8 by 3, and 9 by 3. The point corresponding to 7 by 3 will represent the rational number 7 by 3 on the number line. Recap. Every rational number can be represented on the number line.